David here, just enjoying the afternoon, cutting the grass. As you see, I'm on the lawnmower, making all these nice stripes. Then I noticed this. Just one cornetto, give it to me. Think I should get him an engine. Stephen doing his bit for the environment. Will he fall in? We can but hope. Wonderful afternoon here. There's Bobby, he's been catching a few fish there. I think he's on 7 or 8 now. And just look at this view. Yeah, how about that? Wow. And there's the smiler, Chris. There we are. Hunting the fish. A few more customers up the far bank there. But really, it's looking amazing. And it should be a wonderful evening here at the home of the Mega.